Okay, so in this video, I show you how to position yourself in a commodity. As we all know, we are heading into the summer months. The summer months are when the commodities tend to go up and peak, and we have to get ready. So this is an example of where we are looking for a trade in corn. We see the chart, and then we just determine the option positions that we want to go in, and we press bang, and that's it, and just leave the order to go. So here is a good example of this. Hope you enjoy. Okay guys, come in. Let's go on Facebook Live. I hope that we are live now. Let me check my screen here. So as promised, right? I told you that we do something on corn. So yeah, I'm gonna go and put an order to buy corn today, okay? In addition to my other orders, which I already did yesterday, which I also got to check, okay? Let me see here. Let me go to Facebook here on my phone so that I can make sure that you guys are really there too. Okay, so as soon as we're on there, yeah, we can start. Cool, man. Cool. Seems that we are on air now. So this is the chart for corn, commodity that I'm looking at, with other commodities, of course. So yeah, I'm just going to draw a better chart of corn, because you need to know the chart before you start going into SAFU for the options that we're going to buy today. So let's look at corn futures streaming chart. I don't like this minute kind of thing. I kind of like the daily. And what has happened here was 352. Whoa, did it jump again? My God. So it's now 365. Wow. See, this is the thing with corn here. It tends to jump, and actually jump a lot. What is this? Yeah, today's 1st May. It seems that it has really amazingly gapped up. I am really surprised. Let's look at some other commodities that I tried to go in yesterday. Let me see. Coffee. How's coffee doing now? Right? You guys want to know what coffee is like? Let's go coffee there. Coffee. So where's coffee now? Yeah, coffee, I think it's KC. This is something that we're interested in also. It's 92.43. So it apparently has gone down. Can we look at soybeans? Let's go to soybeans here. No, that's not soybeans. I need to find the ticker for this, okay? Soybean, do we have soybean? Yeah, not that. ZS, US soybean futures. So it kind of went, tried to go up yesterday, right? But now it's kind of back down there. So let's see that. Let's go take a look at wheat also. So some of the commodities that I am looking at. How's wheat doing? It too was tracing like a double bottom yesterday, but so it went up just above the double bottom. Let's see whether it has continued its up path, or it is suddenly being stopped right on its track now. Yeah, so it has shown a little bit going up. So let's just see corn now. How do we do this? Again, corn. Where is corn? ETFs? No, I don't like ZT. Yeah, ZC. This is the corn futures. Okay, so it has gapped up, which has made things quite complicated for us. 365, but since I promised you to show you how I put in an order, why not? So let's go into our SAFU. But before that, you can follow me on Instagram and also my YouTube. Okay, I post all of these in YouTube. So you look here, I posted something on corn. This is the idea for corn. So we're waiting for it to go up here above this line here, this kind of resistance line, and then it's just going to moon. Okay, guys, commodities, trust me, are just going to moon. And if you're not here, you are actually going to miss a lot of money. And of course, this is the fundamental reason. Corn farmers struggle with worst planting season in more than a decade. That works for me, okay? That really works for me. I know they have a lot in inventory, but I think that corn is something that is really just waiting to go up. So yeah, let's go to SAFU Trader and let's go and get in, okay? So let's go there. Okay, do we have it? No. Let's see how we do this. So these are all my accounts here. So I have a lot of accounts, but what you see is only one, okay? So this is the accounts where I do a lot of trades, especially regarding options, and also it's basically a commodity account and also an account where I do a lot of trades on commodity currencies. So those are my orders. Nothing has been done yet, correct? So let's go into SAFU here. We got to go to look at commodities, okay? So we're going to go here onto CFD commodities, not that one. I'm going to do the standard CFD commodities by SAFU. So yeah, let's just do it there. So we're going to see the commodities position. Of course, the account has gone up since I withdrew about $1,200. It has gone up since then. And here I find the various instruments. Okay, corn can go July or September. I'm going to go corn July, okay? I'm just going to go corn July. And if I want to buy options, I like buying options because spot is too darn expensive for me. It's like well, $365. I'd rather buy an option because I can make so much more money by buying an option on this, okay? So let's go to corn here and let's go and yeah, this is kind of the option. This is expiring July 2019, which is 21st of June, about 1.5 months from now. You can also go for other closings like July or August or whatever. Of course, it's going to be more expensive. So let's just go to July. Now, when I do this, I like to go slightly out of the money. So I'm going to take a strike price of about 370 call. This is like $9.75. So I'm going to only break even when corn goes above 370 plus 9.750, okay? That's about $80. So listen to this very carefully so that you guys understand. Now look at this. Since the price of strike is 370 and this is like 9750, I will only break even if corn goes above 379.75. So I really need a big move on corn. That's going to go up. That's actually how it works. So here what you can do is now pick, you know, if you're happy with these parameters here, just look at the price here. This is going to cost me about 487 US dollars, okay? So again, once again, all you need to do is just place order. Now, you know, if the lot size is 1 here, it represents 100 units of options. So it's like $975 divided by 2. That's just the way it works because corn is quite big. And this is listed on the CBOT, okay? It's not ICE, it's on CBOT. So let's go here at corn. So this is the chart for corn. This is a daily chart for corn. Yeah. So what I need, again, as I told you, I need it to go way above this, okay? And let's just go daily. Is that even possible? Yeah, I see the, when was this? This was in April 2018. So yeah, it looks like it's possible. If it goes above 370 is our strike. If it goes above this, above 380, I'm in the money only above this. So I need it to go above 400. And that really depends on a lot of demand, supply and demand, and also seasonal patterns, okay? So again, if I were to buy this, it needs to go way here. If it goes below here, I am not going to make any money. And the cost of this option is about $400 plus. How much was it again? It's like, yeah, it's like $487. So I'm okay with that. And all you need to do now is just place order on SAFU. So that is how we do an order for an option that is now on Saxo, and that is how we do commodities. So again, this weekend, just can click below there. There is a session that I'm going to do on commodities. It's at work here in TTGI. You can attend, but you got to contact me by my WhatsApp if you want to attend face by face. Otherwise, just register on the Zoom link and we're going to see you. Okay. Now, one of the proud things that is we're going to follow up whatever we did last weekend. And I'm glad to say that, you know, some of our positions last weekend are doing really, really well. So I showed my students this, everything, you know, we said to basically buy the Swiss franc, which is short all the chief pairs. And we said that, you know, USD chief is down for a downturn. Yeah, that's cool. That's not USD chief. Let me get out here. Okay, so again, this position is doing very well. Look at that movement on chief. I think those who were there last week know that this is actually one of our really top picks. So it does take time to happen the way that we do trades, but you know, we do for medium term. We don't do day trading. Okay, day trading is too stressful. And so if you want to learn all this and want to learn how to take advantage of commodities, just sign up down there. Okay, so here I am from work. It is Labor Day. We are checking out. So we're going to monitor the situation tonight for commodities and also on another one of our favorite pairs, right? I think it went up yesterday, but we didn't have time to catch it. So we hope that the Russian ruble is able to consolidate here. Give us another chance to buy it as it flips over 65 and 66. How do the charts look like here? I'm just going to go on the daily chart. Yeah, this looks something like, yeah, if it turns, it's going to turn a lot here. All you need to do is very simple, right? Just draw a trend line, okay? Just draw a trend line like that. And yeah, it hasn't done so, but it looks like it is starting to make its ascent. So that's it for now, guys. So see you later. And hopefully we're going to see you on Saturday. Okay, guys? Bye.